How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys the most precise bottoms in the stock market, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that with my unique system. And I want to talk about stock PayPal. There's a lot of people commenting, and they want to know exactly where that bottom is. And if you want to know in real time how I'm thinking, I do have a premium Discord of only $6 a month, and we get awesome alerts. Where honestly we had three big winners today, so very happy. I'll put the link into the comment section. I'll talk about that later. But let's get right into what you all want to see is PayPal. How does my system work and where would I find my bottom? And I'm going to show you exactly how. So these are customized bands to where it works in any stock in the market. I have over 6 years of experience doing this strategy, so I know where to get the safest bottoms. If you just take a brief glance, the green band, I labeled it as green because that's where you want to be alerted for a buy signal. It doesn't mean you buy, you're just watching it. As you can see, it gets close and it pumps. The blue band is where your price is going to correct to. The candles have to go there, they will go there, and it's a guarantee. That is where price has to correct to. It's the reversion of the mean. So as you can see, when it goes down a lot, here's that candle that corrects it. It paints the chart to be, because if it just keeps going down, it looks disgusting. It doesn't look right. The algos are going to repaint that. So that's what we have here, a big move down, it goes up. So now, and the red band is an absolute sell zone. You should not be holding any shares there. If anything, you'd be buying puts or shorting. So let's just look for a buy signal. Here's a very nice short signal right here to give massive gains right there. Here is a buy signal, a blowout candle like this. You see the buyers are just getting wrecked, and then all of a sudden you get a pierce of this green band, and then it just shoots up 4%, another 5%, and then almost 1%. And there was a nice little buy signal, and looks like we do a double bottom to retest it to shoot up higher. But getting this right here was nice little gain if you did options. Obviously, for a stock like this, I probably would do options. Right in here, it touches it and goes up. So what are we looking at now? Now that you kind of get the feel of how generalized, obviously there's so much more to this strat that I can't cover it. It's in my Discord I have a setup video that I talk about every indicator in here and exactly what I'm looking for more precisely. But this is not on my watch list right now. Obviously, it's down a lot and it's been down. Let's look at the weekly. It's been down forever. But at what point do you say I'm going to buy it? Um, you're kind of like throwing darts at this and saying, I think it's a good buy now. Like right up here, it's a good buy. Right up here is a good buy. Right up. You don't want to hold these things forever. I'm more of a honestly. Obviously, yeah, this would be great, probably investing down here, but we don't know if that's the bottom. I want to make sure I'm getting the exact entries down here, and I want to flip this for the 10 to 20% gain. Obviously, if I'm doing options, I can make a lot more than that, but I definitely want to wait and let this come to me, guys. I just feel like we're gonna go a lot more down. You can see the big support is at $50. I think we will test that and go lower, in my honest opinion. But what's nice is this band is at 50.47. So we are looking at this bottom here is correlated with my bottom band. Now, will price go there? Don't quote me on it. If you have shares of this thing and you want to invest in the long term, that's up to you. You got to know your due diligence. But as me, as a chart analyst, and as someone who's been doing this for over 6 years and been trading profitably, I'm going to let the market come to me because there is always another trade before this one can set up. And that's why I want to tell you guys, there's always another trade. There's plenty of other trades to trade. I'm in one right now, and we're up 30% just from today. So, yes. You can be patient, let the market let this come to you. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you're kind of like, okay, I'm going to wait, and there is other factors into it, but right here, if it's not hitting my green band, it's not on my watch list. That's just that simple. And you got to remember, the blue band is where price can correct to. Since we just hit the blue band, there is a pattern here. Have you noticed, like, lots of times you're going to get like a week or two with it not hitting the blue band, you're going to have this gap here, and then it's going to talk. We just now started getting away from the blue band. Of course, it can go right up into the red band. We don't know. But I want to give this one time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my analysis of PayPal, where exactly I'm looking at. Obviously, I'm looking at the very lows of it because that's where my band is. and it's just not set up for me for a reversal. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, like I talked earlier, this is what it looks like. We talked about all about reversals. Obviously, if you're looking at this video, you're trying to find the bottom for PayPal. I showed you a couple examples where the bottom, when it gets close, it pumps, and like right in here, it gets close, it pumps. Right here was the perfect bottom for this system, and it pumps massive up in there. If you want to know more about trades like this, my favorite trade, I do have trade alerts, and it looks just like this. It's very clean. It'll say right here, sold IRBT at 13.30 today. I sold you a car at 0.0984 today, another big win, and bought Peggy at 0.081, and then it's up 30%. This all right here is laid out exactly, and I have exactly what you need for accumulation rolls. Obviously, I showed you examples of my trade alerts, but being in an alert is half the battle. You have to have an exit plan, and that's what I do in real time. And if you know, without an exit plan, you most likely will bag hold because you got to know where to exit. And I look at search price actions, my time frames, and what I'm seeing for a pullback. So I'm always on the charts. I've been looking at charts for a very long time. So I'm kind of looking at, your level 2 when it gets a little exhausted, we're going to take profit. And that's what we're doing here. So I have the setup video. You can have exactly what you see on my chart, and I explain it in more detail of finding the better bottoms. Once it gets to that green band, there's other criteria you want to look at, and I describe more about that. So there here is always only $6 package, cheapest thing you'll ever find. I promise you, cancel anytime if you don't make money, but I promise you, you will make money with this strat, as all of my members in the Discord have, and we've been, profitable for almost 6 months now, and I continue to keep making profits and taking the money from the market so you can quit your 9 to 5 job and live that life that you always wanted to and make your family proud. Because you can do this, anyone can do this, as long as you're willing to put in the work, the time, and the effort, and be disciplined and not have that, FOMO, fear of missing out, and always take your profits. That's my main thing, guys. Don't ever let a green trade go red, and you will be fine here with this strat. But anyways, this is PayPal. That's my analysis. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Anything like that helps the algorithm to spread it out on YouTube and to show other videos. And if you are interested in joining the premium Discord and me holding your hand and showing you exactly more of my style, because obviously if you're watching this, you like bottoms, I will put the link into the comment section. Just scroll down. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades. They are the best trades. I guarantee you guys, you will not be disappointed. I put a lot of effort and research in them, and you can make a lot of money. And the best thing about it, it's only $6, so you can trade with any account size and still make that back very easily. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the Discord and catch you later.